Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special head unit for Mazda CX-7 27 to 2015 years. Okay, you can check this front UI interface. This knob, this home button, back, navy, built-in Google Maps, and mute button. Okay, it will come with special harness. You can check this harness plug and play. This radio antenna and this canvas box, canvas decoder box. Okay, plug and play. Please take out this two DVD up these screws. Take out it before installing. Okay, you can choose the time and the logo. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. See main detail, you can change the color, yellow, blue, and any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, and OX here, this auto link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Let me check the settings. You also can set the home screen with launcher. It will default launcher. Display theme style. You can change the theme style. You can choose the launcher or HMA car launcher. It's built in the Play Store. All apps are here, and you can set the always or just once. This is our website, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Connect Wi-Fi. Okay. You also can change the other theme style with full. You can change the color with blue. And set 5. You need to set always, or when you back the home, it sets always. You can check. And the style is 7 and 8. You can set always. Okay, this radio, volume button, and the knob button. Okay. And let me check the settings. But device Android 11 system. And the SIM card, it's built in a SIM card slot. Storage total 128GB, and memory it's 8GB. Okay, let me introduce the Bluetooth. All apps are here. You can check their Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. Your phone will get message. Please click pair. Okay, it's connected. Is where you can make phone call. Okay, it works with Bluetooth free phone call. You can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with Bluetooth. It's Auto Link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And Play Store is built in the Play Store. You can install apps from Play Store. You can play 4K video. Let me check this 4K video. Okay. You also can change the display. Theme style is 3. Set the launcher, and you can change always or just once. This red, this blue. DSP amplifier. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please visit our website to contact us, belsee.com. Okay, thank you.